Welcome. I welcome you all to this webinar. In this webinar, I will be showing you the exact business model that made me consistent profit monthly and how you can start making money monthly even as a complete beginner. Before I move on with this masterclass, here is some of the results of the money I make selling digital courses and offering these skills as a service. This is a screenshot from my Paystack dashboard. So there will be some thoughts running through your mind like, can I even make it? Me that I do not know anything, me that I do not have any skills that I have. So don't worry, you don't need to have any prior experience, you don't need to have any education or a skill set. So I'm going to show you exact strategy I use in making this money. But before I move on, you would like to know who is speaking with you. Get to know me. My name is Alimi Amina, popularly known as the Sales Lady. I specialize in sales and marketing, and I teach people how to sell digital and physical products online like a pro to make massive sales. I also help individuals who are complete beginner in the online space to get essential skill needed to make passive income online, and that is what I'm going to do for you today. So why do you need to make money online? As you all know, the world is shifting rapidly and the internet is the biggest opportunity right now. So whether you want to leave your 9 to 5 job or you want to create an extra income, you feel like, oh, the money I'm making is not enough for me, I need to make more money. So, or you are building a business, the online space has a wide opportunity for different kind of people. There's a lot you can do in the online space to make money for yourself, but you need to know how to get started, and that is exactly what I'm going to walk you through. So what do you need to make money online? So to make money online, the first thing you need is something to sell. If you want to make money online, you have to have what you want to sell. You can't just say I want to make money online, you don't have anything you want to sell. Don't worry, you feel like, oh, I don't have anything I'm selling. Don't worry, in this webinar I'm going to show you how to get what you sell. For you to sell, you need something like a product. It can be a digital product or a physical product. A physical product in form of gadgets, clothes, pen, paper, biro, notepad, like all the things that you can easily touch, or a digital product in form of ebook, courses, tutorial, webinar, or even a service like consulting, copywriting, or marketing. So you have to bring something of the value to the marketplace for people to buy from you. So if you don't have a product or service yet, don't worry, there are ways to get started without creating your own. So stay with me and let's move on. So the first way you can sell something online is to create and sell digital courses, and you can do this by creating your own digital course. The beauty of digital courses is that you create them once and you can sell them over and over again and generate passive income from it. You know, if you sell, let's say you sell this marker to somebody, is going to be with the person forever. It is a digital courses. Once they pay for the course, you sell them access to it. You can sell it to another people. Because you sell it to one person doesn't mean that you can't sell it to another person. So you can sell it over and over again. So let's move on. So another way to have something you want to sell online is through PLR websites. PLR sites provide you with ready-made product ebook template that you can buy the right to then resell on your own. So this PLR product is just like already made products, like people have created this product, they put all the products in the PLR website. You can easily grab one of the products, purchase the right, and start selling the product on your own. Another way you can make money online is selling your knowledge. You can earn massively by selling your knowledge, like your cooking skill, your marketing skill, your fitness skill. Like you can turn this knowledge into money and people are going to pay for your expertise. So another way you can make money online is from your skills. Do you know skills like graphic design, video editing, content writing can generate you profit? These skills are high in demand. Like usually companies are hiring people that has the skills to offer. They are willing to pay high amounts of money for these people. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Instagram can help you connect with your clients who need what you can offer. After you've got what you want to sell, maybe it's your knowledge you want to sell, maybe it's skills you want to sell, maybe it's PLL products you want to sell. So after that, to succeed in selling online, you need to create an irresistible offer. This is where most people fail. When you want to create an irresistible offer, you must make it sound like when people doesn't buy from you, they are missing out. When people hear your product, like your courses, they feel like, if I did not buy this course from this person, that means I'm missing out. Like, you have to create that irresistible offer sense in them, whereby they can't resist buying your product and they will take action to buy. So let's move on. After you create an irresistible offer for your course, then what you want to do now is how you can drive traffic for it. We have two type of method in driving traffic for your product. We have the organic method. So organic method is using social media, SEO, content marketing, and it's also build a sustainable audience, like posting valuable content for your audience. You know what, when you are posting content for your audience, like you are sharing valuable things for them for free, once you say you want to sell a particular course, they will watch that course from you. Because if you are giving them tips that people are asking them for money to buy, you are providing them this value for free. If you now say you want to sell a product, they will surely buy from you, because they know that once you can give them this value for free, definitely your course is going to be massive and it's going to be of value. So the second method you can use to drive traffic is through paid method. Running ad is a way to go. You can even target different, you have the opportunity to target different country, and this will help you to target potential customers. And as we all know that sales is a game of numbers, the more eyes you have on your product, the bigger the sales you are going to make. So let's move on. So if you have come this far, I want to congratulate you, because you have successfully completed the steps to making money online, and these are the process I and my students follow to make consistent profit online. But the truth is that I can't cover the unique steps in this class, because this video is going to be too long, which is why I want you to choose from these two options. The option one is that you take what I just showed you and do it on your own. Why that is possible, let me tell you the reality. Without proper guidance, it will be very tough, and you might not even get results doing it. You might even spend months and years trying to figure it out, just be lost. Oh, I've watched this course, I don't even know how to sell it, I don't know how to be about it, I've watched it, I went to PLR, get the product, I don't even know how I can promote it. So you just be lost and you keep figuring it out months, years. So the second option is that you can follow a proven path where I take you by the hand and guide you every steps of the way. You don't have to guess or wasting time figuring it out on your own. So I'm going to teach you how to learn, implement, and start making your money from it. That is why I want to invite you to join my growth analyst masterclass. So this is not just a normal class that you see anywhere. This is a mastery program that is specially designed to take you through implementing the step-by-step process I shared with you earlier, and how I was able to make money from this. So moving on, in this program, I will teach you the 10 high in-demand skills you can use to generate consistent profits online. So inside this, you are going to learn Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising, video content creation and editing, graphic design with Canva, sales funnel building, WhatsApp marketing, content marketing, email marketing, copywriting, the likes of Google My Business, and TikTok organic traffic. I cannot even start attaching price to all these things, because the worth is priceless. Like Facebook and Instagram is hot cake in town now. Like literally, if you said somebody should run ads for you, they might be charging 100k to just run ads for you, and you are still going to add your own ad budget. Let me not even dwell much on that. So I have a bonus pack for you. After you learn this thing, I'm going to teach you different ways to make money from any of these high in demand skills. I'm going to show you how to implement, how to create your own, then how to start selling these courses. And this is not just ordinary bonus. This alone can change everything for you. Literally show you how to generate consistent profit online. You might say you want to go online and search for graphic design with Canva, kiniko. You want to go and learn it online. Once you go and learn it online, you just be lost, because no way to monetize your skills. If there is no way to monetize your skills, let me tell you the truth, you are just playing around. You are just playing around. So let's move on. So how much does this growth analyst masterclass cost? I could easily charge 50k for this because it is what other people paid to get access to the course. But for fast action takers that are going to buy this course today, you get access to this program for 24,000 naira, 499 naira only today. I said it today, for today alone. So to join the fast action takers, you can get started now for just 24,000 naira, 499 today. So send me a DM to this number on WhatsApp saying pay to secure your payment for this masterclass. I will be so excited to see you in class. I want to congratulate you for taking the steps to generate passive income online for yourself. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this masterclass. I will see you on the other side.